Hello again, guys, everyone. I hope you're having a really good day. And today I want to go deeper into one of the most powerful tools to optimize your website, blogs, content, because at the end of the day, it's all about driving traffic to your website to read the content that you work hard, that you're providing value with. So I want to show you what I have found out myself, and I do really like this tool because it shows you ways that you can retarget or target new audiences and see how trendy in real time is a topic or a query. So let's get started. So here I am in the search results. I had typed the Google Trends because I want you to go on your browser, type Google Trends and click on it. Google Trends here. So when you click on Google Trends, you will be directed to the main page that you can do the searches, which is this one here. But obviously I will show you, if you want, I'll show you also here. So let's click here. And so what I'm doing, so it's gonna come out the main page of Google Trends. And you will have a page that you will be by default, as we say on the URL, it will give you the geo United States. So you have to change that. If you I advise you to change it because you don't want to find out how to is a topic or a query in the United States only, but you want it in the United Kingdom mainly because I see most of you are from Kent or England, so just change it to worldwide or United Kingdom. So change it here, click on the arrow and just select United Kingdom. So let's look at United Kingdom. Where's the United Kingdom? Here. Let's check that to United Kingdom or worldwide. Yeah, it depends. For example, in examples I'm going to give you on how I'm going to work to find out about the topics, I'll use first United Kingdom. So I want to find out, let's say I manage a website based on business advice for business owners in Kent. So I want to find out how popular the search term or the query business in Kent is. And as you can see, if you type businesses in Kent, in the United Kingdom over the past 90 days, all categories and on web search, which means that we are only looking at the search queries on the search engine results page. So it tells me that the interest over time, this is an absolute, this is a relative resource based on the queries in real time. So it's not an absolute search result. It's not absolute, it's only relative. So if we see the interest over time, we see that there is an increase, a relative increase in comparison with other search related to queries about businesses in Kent. It's a very simple chart, very simple results. Obviously the interest by sub-region will be only in England because we're talking about a very local area, which is Kent, which is a county in the United Kingdom. So it's giving us just the sub-region England, which is actually relevant. So if we want to find out by city, then it's not giving us data. Why is it not giving us data? Well, it's not giving us data because Google Trends will not give you data if there are very few searches in comparison to the absolute number of searches worldwide. So what is this useful for? Because if you are if you run a business, an online magazine, or you run a blog about businesses, then you want to find out probably how trendy this topic is. The same way, for example, now the second example I have for you is if we type here is search engine optimization tools. Search engine optimization tools are all those tools that we use to optimize websites, blog posts, make our content more likely to be found, right? This is for all of those that are just initiating search engine optimization. We are going to select this term and Excel, the search engine optimization tool in the United Kingdom. Well, actually, this I want to do it worldwide. I want to find out worldwide how popular, how trendy right now is this term be. Because Google Trend, as the name says, is very useful to find out what is trendy right now among potential audience. So search engine optimization tool over the past 90 days is not really being really, you know, there are peaks, but it's not it's not a lot of it's not how I would expect. It's not really trendy right now, but there is a stability, so there is interest. Yeah, there is a interest, and every time, for example, if you click on the graph on the line chart, then you will see a number here which represent the relative number of search related to queries or topics that have these particular words. So it means, for example, here if we go to the last one, says that there is a little bit, a slightly increase in the popularity of this term. So I can actually write about it. It would be nice. It would be nice because there is interest actually. It's not a really huge interest, but there is interest, and it's showing me the interest by region here as well. Has because we can expect the interest by region here shows me several regions. Shows me 66 regions. If you go see at the top at the bottom. And it tells me which regions are searching the most for it. So if you click here, it will even explain so in which location your term was most popular during the specified time frame. So this will only be valid for the time frame that you're setting up, which in this case I set it up for the past 90 days, the past 3 months. But you can select that to 12 months, 6 months, etc. So if we see here, when we are in region here, we see all the regions. We can perfectly target worldwide different regions. If you want, you can do this display ads. If you are a company that sells search engine, a smart solution, then you will see that there is interest in so many regions that you can choose which one to target. The thing that here that I want to show you is the related query and the related topics. So the difference is that topics are the topics that have the particular words that people is searching for. So it's a topic that people is looking for. And rising means so when you search for a topic, Google will automatically detect when a topic is being trending. So here it shows me the breakout. So with the breakout here, which I just click on it, and it's gonna take me there. Let me show you. It's taking long. Well, it seems that it has searched for this term. I don't want to find out about this linkassistant.com. I want to keep in the search I was doing. So let me go back and show you and continue explaining you about the breakout. So It's gonna take me there. It's taking me there. Okay, so well, there we are again. The related topics. So with the breakout is showing me the topic. How? So these are the topics. So this the breakout of each topic means that they are at the top research and resource pages. So these topics, for example, Bluehost is a hosting services. They are ranking very high. They are ranking very high for search engine optimization tool, probably because they are blogging about it. Small businesses is a topic because probably people that is searching for small businesses are seeing in the search result page search engine optimization tool to optimize their business, for example. So all these topics here, if you want to, you can click on the interrogation mark. And users for your turn also search these topics. So it gives you the topics. The most popular topics are at the top. Yeah, and we got 23 topics, so it's plenty of resource there for you if you run if you hack a business magazine, or if you have if you are even a business and related with marketing, or and you want to provide value to clients, choose among the topics the ones that are relevant, the most relevant. So, and this part here says rising. Rising shows the most searched topics. But if I want to see the percentage, so I will go to top. So in the top search engine optimization list, tool topic, Google Telegram. So here in on the top, yeah, at the top, I am seeing the related queries. So for example, 100 queries was brought up by search engine optimization list. So you got 25 topics at the top, and if you go to racing, as I just showed before, then it will also show you topics that are actually at the top. So when you can choose between rising and top. Normally, for example, here in rising, normally rising will show you the percentage. Back for queries, yeah, we have that for queries. So if you're interested, and you should be, in the queries that people is typing in, not topics. These are the topics related to the queries. But when we talk about queries, we're talking about the queries that are is actually people is actually typing in, so in the search bar. So on the queries, we got the keywords, let's say, and we got the rising. We have here rising if you want to know the percentage, and you got 6 queries here. Yeah, for example, people is typing about SEO monitoring tools, SEO backlink tools, SEO keyword research tool. It's like a more detail, yeah, because this is what people is typing in. When I'm talking about the topics, when you see related topics, it means that Google automatically detects topics related to SEO tools because they are related. So you also want to know what is related. If you want to know which queries are at the top, you just click top and related queries, and you will see here the relative number. You go 100 queries the past 90 days that were namely what the people wrote is SEO tools, and that will count for the past 90 days worldwide. If you want to be more specific, you just change the worldwide to country. You change the past 90 days to other time frames. You go here, a powerful tool, as I say. You also go the interest by region, and you can do with this. You can, if you're a journalist, if you write about any topics, you can use it. You can also compare, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm also going to compare, let's say, SEO tools with SEO tips. So if I want to create a really powerful post, I would compare between, I can compare up to 5 terms. but I will compare just with two. Now to show you how it's done. Yeah, you look here, more comparison. You can do up to 5 comparison, but I'm going to show you two, so as to grasp better Google Trends features. Yeah. So when I compare SEO tool with SEO tips, what you can see is that worldwide in the past 90 days, for this time frame particularly, you have SEO tools has the most popular and trendy search term. Yeah. It's not giving you maps. Sometimes it doesn't give you map, but it is giving you the country where, for example, comparing SEO tools to SEO tips in Finland, SEO tools is more search, is more popular. The same in Japan, Chile, Kenya, Colombia. It's giving you 65 regions. Here you can see worldwide in which region is more popular these terms. So in which region they are more popular. And then if I scroll down, the same happen, no map, that's okay. But it's giving you for SEO tool the related queries. We already saw these queries before in the first time we input this term. But for SEO tips, it's also giving me queries. So SEO tips, as I can expect, is not giving me a lot of queries. Perhaps because the last 3 months there hasn't been a lot of queries related with this term, which is fine. You can also if you want to download this, and you can click on this arrow here, and you can use this data on your Excel files. You can even share it if you click on this one on your social media channel. If you want to create a social media post showing how your business uses data, then you can do so. So I just want to encourage you to use this tool. You can also search for terms that are related to your competitors. If you run a business, which I think most of you are, I suggest you to research for keywords on keyword research tool that I already mentioned in other videos, but input those here and see how trendy these terms are being at the moment. So research here anything any terms that you see that is being trendy is a query or a keyword. It's very powerful, this tool. I can't stress enough. So please use it, and I will be seeing you soon. Well, you will be listening to me soon. So thanks very much, and I'll see you in another video. And don't forget to subscribe and share, please, if you like this video and you think it's useful.